International Current Affairs MCQs. For upcoming exams. 1. Which country has become the first Caribbean country to adopt India's Unified Payments Interface, UPI? A. Haiti. B. Cuba. C. Trinidad and Tobago. D. Suriname. Correct answer, C. Trinidad and Tobago. 2. Which two countries are involved in the Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport Project, KMTTP? A. India and Bangladesh. B. India and Myanmar. C. India and Nepal. D. Nepal and China. Correct answer, B. India and Myanmar. 3. Erasmus Plus program is a flagship initiative of which organization? A. European Union, EU. B. World Bank. C. Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. D. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. Correct answer, A. European Union, EU. 4. The Maputo Protocol was adopted by which organization? A. European Union, EU. B. African Union, EU. C. United Nations, UN. D. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. Correct answer, B. African Union, EU. 5. Which country has launched its most powerful conventional bomb, the Gajak? A. China. B. Japan. C. Israel. D. Turkey. Correct answer, D. Turkey. 6. Typhoon Kome recently hit which country? A. Japan. B. Philippines. C. China. D. None of the above. Correct answer, C. China. 7. Which country has been named as Guest of Honor at the 38th Bogota International Book Fair, FILBO, 2026? A. France. B. Germany. C. Russia. D. India. Correct answer, D. India. 8. Inga Ruginiene has been appointed as Prime Minister of which country in August 2025? A. Belarus. B. Poland. C. Lithuania. D. Estonia. Correct answer, C. Lithuania. 9. India announced 1,000 e-scholarships for Afghan nationals for the academic year 2025-26 under which initiative? A. Special Scholarship Scheme for Afghan Nationals, SSN. B. India-Afghan Cultural Exchange Program. C. Study in India Initiative. D. Technical Cooperation Scheme. Correct answer, A. Special Scholarship Scheme for Afghan Nationals, SSN. 10. Andrew Holness has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in September 2025? A. Cuba. B. Trinidad and Tobago. C. Barbados. D. Jamaica. Correct answer, D. Jamaica. 11. India unveiled the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, Universal Postal Union, UPU, integration project at which event? A. SCO Summit 2025, China. B. 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference, Barbados. C. 28th Universal Postal Congress, Dubai. D. World Economic Forum, Davos. Correct answer, C. 28th Universal Postal Congress, Dubai. 12. Which country has become the first in the world to induct an AI minister, a virtual government official named Diala? A. Albania. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Vietnam. Correct answer, A. Albania. 13. Where is the headquarters of International Electrotechnical Commission, IEC, located? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. Paris, France. C. London, United Kingdom. D. New Delhi, India. Correct answer, A. Geneva, Switzerland. 14. Which country has become the first to investment in Tropical Forests Forever Facility, TFFF, for tropical forest conservation? A. India. B. Mexico. C. Indonesia. D. Brazil. Correct answer, D. Brazil. 15. Which country announced the launch of the world's first nuclear power system with a closed fuel cycle by 2030? A. United States. B. Russia. C. Japan. D. China. Correct answer, B. Russia. 16. Which country launched its first ever national child safeguarding policy in October 2025? A. Fiji. B. Tuvalu. C. Tonga. D. Peru. Correct answer, A. Fiji. 17. Which US state has become the third to declare Diwali as a state holiday after Pennsylvania and Connecticut? A. Florida. B. Texas. C. Alaska. D. California. Correct answer, D. California. 18. What is the name of the new initiative launched by India and the United Kingdom to enhance digital cooperation? A. India-UK TechBridge Mission. B. Global Telecom Partnership. C. Indo-British Digital Alliance. D. India-UK Connectivity and Innovation Center. Correct answer, D. India-UK Connectivity and Innovation Center. 19. Which country has allocated $10 million to boost community resilience to natural disasters across Asia and the Pacific? A. Egypt. B. United Arab Emirates. C. Qatar. D. Saudi Arabia. Correct answer, B. United Arab Emirates. 20. Who won Bolivia's presidential election in 2025? A. George Teuto Quiroga. B. Rodrigo Paz. C. Evo Morales. D. Carlos Mesa. Correct answer, B. Rodrigo Paz. 21. Which two countries are directly involved in the territorial dispute over Scarborough Shoal? A. China and Vietnam. B. Philippines and Malaysia. C. China and Indonesia. D. China and Philippines. Correct answer, D. China and Philippines. 22. Where is the headquarters of International Electrotechnical Commission, IEC, located? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. Paris, France. C. London, United Kingdom. D. New Delhi, India. Correct answer, A. Geneva, Switzerland. 23. Bagram Air Base, that was recently seen in news, is located in which country? A. Pakistan. B. Afghanistan. C. Israel. D. Iran. Correct answer, B. Afghanistan. 24. Which proposed rail line has been designated as a special railway project to provide Bhutan with its first ever railway connectivity? A. Banrahet Sampse. B. Kokrajhar Gilefu. C. Hasimara Thimphu. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. Kokrajhar Gilefu. 25. The New Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty, New START, is a treaty between Russia and which country? A. United States of America, USA. B. China. C. India. D. Iran. Correct answer, A. United States of America, USA. 26. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? A. New York. B. Paris. C. Geneva. D. Rome. Correct answer, B. Paris. 27. The Durand Line, that was recently seen in news, is the international land boundary between which two countries? A. Afghanistan and Pakistan. B. India and Pakistan. C. India and China. D. Pakistan and China. Correct answer, A. Afghanistan and Pakistan. 28. Which country has allocated $10 million to boost community resilience to natural disasters across Asia and the Pacific? A. Egypt. B. United Arab Emirates. C. Qatar. D. Saudi Arabia. Correct answer, B. United Arab Emirates. 29. The New Development Bank, NDB, was established by which organization? A. BRICS. B. ASEAN. C. SAARC. D. NATO. Correct answer, A. BRICS. 30. Cyclone Monta recently made landfall along which region? A. Arabian Sea coast. B. Bay of Bengal coast. C. South China Sea coast. D. Indian Ocean. Correct answer, B. Bay of Bengal coast. 31. Which country has launched the Walk to Mars campaign to promote fitness and unity? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Qatar. C. Oman. D. United Arab Emirates, UAE. Correct answer, D. United Arab Emirates, UAE. 32. Which country has launched Operation Southern Spear to dismantle narcoterrorist networks in November 2025? A. Germany. B. United States. C. Brazil. D. Canada. Correct answer, B. United States. 33. Which UN body developed the Convention Against Cybercrime? A. UN Security Council. B. UN Office on Drugs and Crime, UNOC. C. International Court of Justice, ICJ. D. UN Human Rights Council. Correct answer, B. UN Office on Drugs and Crime, UNOC. 34. West Seti hydropower project, that was recently seen in news, is located in which country? A. Nepal. B. Myanmar. C. Bhutan. D. Bangladesh. Correct answer, A. Nepal. 35. Which country has become the sixth member of the Colombo Security Conclave, CSC? A. Singapore. B. Seychelles. C. Myanmar. D. Indonesia. Correct answer, B. Seychelles. 36. Omansat-1, Oman's first ever communications satellite, is developed in partnership with which aerospace company? A. Boeing Space. B. Airbus Defence and Space. C. Roscosmos. D. Jaksha. Correct answer, B. Airbus Defence and Space. 37. India has launched the Technology and Innovation, Achiti, partnership with which countries during the G20 summit in Johannesburg? A. Australia and Canada. B. USA and Canada. C. Japan and Australia. D. USA and Japan. Correct answer, A. Australia and Canada. 38. Reciprocal Exchange of Logistic Support, RELOS, is a military logistic sharing agreement between India and which country? A. Australia. B. Russia. C. France. D. China. Correct answer, B. Russia. 39. Andrej Babis has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? A. Czech Republic. B. Denmark. C. Estonia. D. Bulgaria. Correct answer, A. Czech Republic. 40. International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD, is an international financial institution and a specialized agency of which organization? A. International Monetary Fund. B. United Nations. C. European Union. D. World Bank. Correct answer, B. United Nations. 41. Leadership Group for Industry Transition, LEAD-IT, was jointly launched by which two countries? A. India and Brazil. B. Sweden and India. C. India and Japan. D. Germany and France. Correct answer, B. Sweden and India. 42. Who has been appointed as Pakistan's first Chief of Defence Forces, CDF, in December 2025? A. Sahir Shamshad Mirza. B. Asim Munir. C. Zahir Ahmad. D. Shehbaz Sharif. Correct answer, B. Asim Munir. 43. Reciprocal Exchange of Logistic Support, RELOS, is a military logistic sharing agreement between India and which country? A. Australia. B. Russia. C. France. D. China. Correct answer, B. Russia. 44. Which African country launched a major livestock vaccination drive to protect rural livelihoods in December 2025? A. Tanzania. B. Nigeria. C. Egypt. D. Kenya. Correct answer, A. Tanzania. 45. India and which country have jointly launched the new agricultural venture, Semiofor Limited, to boost sustainable agricultural technologies? A. Japan. B. Israel. C. France. D. Australia. Correct answer, B. Israel. 46. PAX Silica is an initiative of which country? A. United Kingdom. B. United States of America. C. Japan. D. Australia. Correct answer, B. United States of America. 47. Lord Fakfanua became the Prime Minister of which country in December 2025? A. Tonga. B. Fiji. C. Papua New Guinea. D. New Zealand. Correct answer, A. Tonga. 48. Which country became the first to formally recognize the self-declared Republic of Somaliland as an independent and sovereign state? A. Egypt. B. United States. C. Israel. D. India. Correct answer, C. Israel. 49. What is the name of the large-scale military exercise launched by China around Taiwan in December 2025? A. Eastern Shield 2025. B. Justice Mission 2025. C. Dragon Strike 2025. D. United Front 2025. Correct answer, B. Justice Mission 2025. 50. Hanemadhu International Airport, that was recently seen in news, is located in which country? A. Singapore. B. Mauritius. C. Indonesia. D. Maldives. Correct answer, D. Maldives. 51. Shah Mohsin Jindani has been appointed as Prime Minister of which country in January 2026? A. Iran. B. Iraq. C. Yemen. D. Egypt. Correct answer, C. Yemen. 52. Which country officially withdrew from the World Health Organization, WHO, in January 2026? A. Canada. B. India. C. United States. D. Russia. Correct answer, C. United States. 53. Which country announced the launch of the Forum on Resource, Geostrategic Engagement, FORGE, initiative? A. United States. B. Japan. C. China. D. Russia. Correct answer, A. United States. 54. Tropical cyclone Gajni hit which country recently? A. Mozambique. B. Madagascar. C. Sri Lanka. D. Indonesia. Correct answer, B. Madagascar. 55. Which country conducted its first air transport of a micro-nuclear reactor using AC-17 military aircraft? A. United States. B. Israel. C. Germany. D. Russia. Correct answer, A. United States. 56. Which country announced its withdrawal from the Ottawa Convention, Mine Ban Treaty, in February 2026? A. Finland. B. Poland. C. Hungary. D. Romania. Correct answer, B. Poland. 57. The Takeshima dispute, that was recently seen in news, is a long-standing territorial conflict between Japan and which country? A. South Korea. B. Russia. C. China. D. Taiwan. Correct answer, A. South Korea. 58. The Amondwa tribe is primarily found in which country? A. Brazil. B. Kenya. C. India. D. Egypt. Correct answer, A. Brazil. 59. The Villages of Excellence is an initiative between India and which country? A. Indonesia. B. Israel. C. Japan. D. Russia. Correct answer, B. Israel. 60. Which state has become the first country in the United Kingdom to allow water cremation, also called hydrolysis? A. Ireland. B. England. C. Scotland. D. Wales. Correct answer, C. Scotland. 61. Which international organization conducted the Cold Response military exercise in March 2026? A. United Nations, UN. B. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. C. European Union, EU. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. 62. The Globe Network was launched based on which initiative? A. Paris Climate Agreement. B. Beijing Declaration. C. Riyadh Initiative. D. Geneva Convention. Correct answer, C. Riyadh Initiative. 63. Balendra Shah has become youngest Prime Minister of which country? A. Nepal. B. Bhutan. C. Myanmar. D. Bangladesh. Correct answer, A. Nepal. 64. Tropical cyclone Narelle has hit which country recently? A. Japan. B. Myanmar. C. Bangladesh. D. Australia. Correct answer, D. Australia. 65. The Kariba Dam, where a 500 megawatts floating solar plant is being planned, is located on which river? A. Nile River. B. Congo River. C. Zambezi River. D. Niger River. Correct answer, C. Zambezi River. 66. Uchril Nyamosa has been appointed as new Prime Minister of which country? A. Nigeria. B. Egypt. C. Mongolia. D. Kenya. Correct answer, C. Mongolia. 67. Which country launched the ICP mobile app to help identify venomous snakes and improve public awareness? A. Brazil. B. Mexico. C. Costa Rica. D. Colombia. Correct answer, C. Costa Rica. 68. Min Aung Hlaing has been elected as president of which country? A. Myanmar. B. Bangladesh. C. Sri Lanka. D. Indonesia. Correct answer, A. Myanmar. 69. The Global Heat Health Information Network, GHIN, was launched in which year? A. 2015. B. 2016. C. 2017. D. 2018. Correct answer, B. 2016. 70. Nizar Ahmedi has been elected as the new president of which country? A. Iraq. B. Qatar. C. Iran. D. Lebanon. Correct answer, A. Iraq. 71. In April 2026, which country has passed the Tobacco and Vapes Bill? A. United Kingdom. B. France. C. Australia. D. Indonesia. Correct answer, A. United Kingdom. 72. The Taimur missile system is developed by which country? A. Iran. B. Iraq. C. Pakistan. D. Israel. Correct answer, C. Pakistan. 73. The Science Panel for the Global Energy Transition, SPGET, was launched in which country? A. Brazil. B. Australia. C. Germany. D. Colombia. Correct answer, D. Colombia. 74. Which country has launched Europe's first fully integrated lithium project? A. Germany. B. France. C. Finland. D. Norway. Correct answer, C. Finland. 75. What is the theme of India's first culture working group meeting under BRICS Presidency 2026? A. Global Peace and Development. B. Building for Resilience, Innovation, Cooperation and Sustainability. C. Digital Future for All. D. Inclusive Growth and Development. Correct answer, B. Building for Resilience, Innovation, Cooperation and Sustainability. 76. Which country has become the first non-European country to attend the European Political Community, EPC, summit? A. India. B. Canada. C. China. D. Australia. Correct answer, B. Canada. 77. Hapshan Gas Complex, recently seen in news, is located in which country? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Qatar. C. United Arab Emirates. D. Oman. Correct answer, C. United Arab Emirates. 78. Baltops 2026 exercise is conducted in which sea? A. Red Sea. B. Black Sea. C. Baltic Sea. D. Mediterranean Sea. Correct answer, C. Baltic Sea. 79. What is the name of the initiative jointly launched by India and the United Kingdom to monitor and analyze critical mineral supply chains? A. Critical Minerals Security Initiative, CMSI. B. Global Mineral Tracking Network, GMTN. C. Critical Minerals Global Supply Chain Observatory, GSCO. D. Strategic Minerals Monitoring Platform, SMMP. Correct answer, C. Critical Minerals Global Supply Chain Observatory, GSCO. 80. The first ever sea shipment of botanical infused millet functional foods from Karnataka was exported to which country? A. Australia. B. United Kingdom. C. New Zealand. D. United Arab Emirates. Correct answer, C. New Zealand. If you need explanation part for this, comment below for that. Comment explanation.